shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for the last day of March 31st, 2020. If you've had a good month trading, stop trading. Don't mess it up. Yeah, last day of the month, I used to take the day off when it was a great month. Trust me, it works. But if not, yep, I got some whispers for you guys. So let's start with the SPY. We're going to be bullish above 263.75, key level that I'm watching. We tested it back here at 5 a.m. and sellers were there. So we really need to break above that for us to reach new heights. Let's go. I'm going to be bearish below 261.25, and you can see we've already started to break down there, and we hit almost, we hit all my targets. Look at that, 258.02. What now? Well, let's look at, yeah, the reason I picked that was the 15 EMA was right there, that blue, this blue line right here. We could retrace to 256.42, the 4 EMA would be the next target if we break below 258. So we tested it once and bounced, and you can see volume came in there. So if we do, then we could retrace back down to the 4 EMA. We should have buyers there. And if we don't hold that, then look at the 8 EMA. 253.45 area would be our next target there. All right, let's go to the E-minis. Oh, and there we go. As I'm talking, we just went through it. Okay. E-minis. We are going to be bullish above 26.50 and bearish below 2600. And we just broke below that 2600 as well. This is why I send these out individually as I'm doing them in the morning. I do know a lot of you are pre-market bandits. So IWM, bullish above 116, bear below 112.50. Yeah, so I went a little bit lower for that. But it looks like a pattern. You see how all these guys touch the 15 EMA? That's my trend moving average. Yep, it's really powerful. If you don't have that on your daily chart, put it. I use it on both 5-minute and daily chart. It really is amazing. So let's go to the QQQs. QQQs, you can see, are quite a bit stronger. Actually went above that 15 EMA, but is up thrusting at the moment. So bull above 194.50, bear below 192, and we've already gone down and hit pretty much all the targets. So yeah, so again, same exact scenario. The next level would be the retracement to the 4 EMA. We should bounce, and then if it can't hold that, the 8 EMA. Same pattern all the time. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 79.50, and we are retracing right now. Bearish below 78.50. Which we've already gone down, but we still have some more targets to hit on my list. Let's go to oil. Yeah, oil is moving this market. Yes, it is. Oil had a pop overnight, and oops, as you can see, we hit R2. Sellers came in. Look at that big volume spike. These are so powerful. And we've moved down below R1, and now we've come down to Camarilla pivot. We'll see if we hold this or not. But yeah, only bullish above 2190. That was above this R2 level. Bear below 21, which we've already come down and hit the support. You see when I put CS, Camarilla support, that's why at 2075 level. And I do expect a bounce in between these targets. Yeah, the reason I separate them is I do expect there to be some buyers there. Yep, so if you miss that run, you want to wait for it to pop up, and then if it breaks below CS, then we go to the next set of targets on the downside. Okay, let's go to gold futures. Gold futures. We are going to be bullish above 1626. So I have a question in the Java pit from Ned. What is a Camarilla? Did you read my book, Ned? I know I put it in my book. Yep. Camarilla Pivot Boss Pivots. Yep. talk more about that this morning. Gold futures bullish above 1626. That's above this S1 level. And bear below 1600. Yeah, I went all the way down here. So we're bearish. There's a lot of room down. And then I went bullish above here. We should have resistance at this Camarilla, the solid lines of the Camarillas. And then if we were to break above that, this is that next trade setup. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. Oops. Because I have lots of those guys for you. All right, we're going to start with Microsoft. Microsoft was one of our biggest winners yesterday from the whispers. What a run it had. Look what it did this morning. It went all the way up almost to this 50 SMA and up thrusted. This, by the way, was also in my dark pool insights over the weekend. So today, I'm only going to be bullish above 163 for a day trade, bearish below 159.50, which we started to go down below for Microsoft. Let's go to AAL. AAL, bullish above 1350. Yeah, so that would be above the 8 EMA on the daily chart. And then I'm going to be bearish below 1260. We've already gone down through that level. But a lot of other levels to go. But look where we went to. See how we went to 1243 retracement persons pivots. All right, so again, these are so amazing. Let me just show you that bounce on a chart here while I got you. See, they're like magnets. Yep, we came right down to this pink dotted line, persons pivot. Yep, there's going to be computers loaded to buy. And that's why you can see this spike of volume come in. See that? It's not a coincidence. Yeah, they're loaded to buy there. If we don't hold that, yeah, then look for the next trade down for American Airlines. All right, but there's a reason it just stops there. Yep. So we have AMD next. This up thrusted on the 50 simple moving average. Yeah, big up thrust. That's bearish, by the way. It's a false breakout. So we are going to be bullish only above 48.75 and bearish below 47.50 for AMD. Let's go to Apple. Apple, we are only going to be bullish above 257.50. Bear below 255, and we've already gone down below there. And it looks like, again, we went down to the pivot. Let me show you that as well. Yeah, sometimes it might go slightly below it, all right, like it did here. Yep, but it's always my target on the downside when I'm shorting and then I'm covering at the pivot, or if I'm long and it's coming up to the pivot. Yeah, it's always going to be a place where I scale out of my trade. But it is a magnet. You can see it came down really fast until it hit the pivot and then slowed down and consolidated. So really key. And best part about it, it's free. Yeah, Thinkorswim platform is my favorite to use it on. Okay, so we have Tesla, which my traders love to trade this in the room. Already came down and hit my first target, 497.50. That was a Camarilla support. Yep, that's why we bounced. So if we do go below that, right, then our next trade setup would be down to this 480 area. Yeah, that's on the daily chart. You can really see there's nothing but air. But that Camarilla stopped us today. Yeah, we got a couple more, 495, 490 is S1, and so forth. So watch those. Let's go to USO. This is exciting. We've had a lot of big prints that are above us on USO, 448 and 485 are two key levels. I talked about them yesterday, 4.4 million on each. Yesterday we got another print, 1.7 million, 423, but my levels are still the same. I don't post every single print that pops up here. I really pick the ones that are number one, unique or new, or if I'm gonna have a new level on my trade, I will post it with new levels. So keep that in mind. At the end of the week, I do tally up all the unusual prints and do put them into the dark pool insights for swing trades. So USO, I'm only going to be bullish above all the prints. 487. If we go above that, then this was the splash, and that's going to be uber bullish. But if we don't, we have to still be bearish. Okay? Always follow the prints, follow the money. So bearish below 412 today if we do start to move down. And you can see we've retraced back up to the 4 EMA, and we hit that little brick wall today. Yeah, so watch these key levels. Let's go to Delta. Alexander in the room. Map this beauty out for me. I just tweaked it slightly, Alex. Yep. The bear below level, I put at 28.80 because I did see a buyer on the book. Let's see if he's still here. You know, they do move around on the INET book. At 29, he just got consumed. He bought it, yeah. He bought it at 29, yep, and then they bounced it, but he was there. But I changed it slightly to 28.80, so watch that level. Bullish above 30, but excellent job on that, by the way. Yeah, great. I love when my traders map out these in the morning. You know, the more times you do this, the better you're gonna get. So CCL, I posted out, was going below the prints in the Java pit. I posted we were just turning below that bearish below level. Hope you guys got this one. Only bullish above 12.75. Yep, but there's a lot of room to go down. There's nothing here, you guys. Yeah, Carnival's not doing too well. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for March 31st. 2020. Everybody stay home, stay healthy, and keep trading. Until next time.
Nothing, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.